Hello, my name is METİN ARIDAŞIR. This is 115th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, 21.78 10 to the minus 19 joule is not equal to 13.6 electron volts. How? Yes. First we look at accepted physics theories. Yes, this is proton, this is electron. Whether it's electron cloud or certain orbit revolving electron, it is now in its ground state energy revolving. Hydrogen's ground state energy of electron in accepted physics theories. What they say? Ground state energy of a hydrogen's single electron is 21.8 10 to the minus 19 joule or kilogram meter per second square, or in electron volts converting energy is 13.6 electron volts, but they put front of these figures minus. Okay. And an accepted physics 1 eV, 1 electron volts, is equal to 1.6 approximately 10 to the minus 19 joule. And electron mass is constant in accepted physics and 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. Or in joule. Okay. Now, don't forget, in accepted physics, 1 coulomb charge is equal to 1.6 I guess 10 to the minus coulomb for electron. For electron charge is 1.60 to 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Now my theory. Remember from my former videos. But directly I will give you, for instant comparison, here accepted physics theory, this or this. But here, according to me, 21.78 joule and different 13.66 10 to minus 18 joule. Joule, and we divided that unitless. Now, please compare these. So important. These energies are same unit, in same unit. Not indicates same property. They indicate single point, mass point, but this point have two different, according to my theory and my formulas, two different components. Here, C direction, C propagation direction, mass, and linear velocity direction, mass component. And C mass component's energy is differ from linear velocity component mass energy. And here 21.78 joule for what? For C component, speed of light component, masses energy, and this 13.66 etc. etc. is 1,884,000 km per second linear velocity direction, mass components energy in joule again, not 1 of eV, 1 of joule. And if we divide that 1.6, remember my former videos, charge is unitless, I have said. Now, instantly compare. Here, 21.8. Here, 21.78, same. Here, 13.6. Here, 13.66. Here, these are convertible and same. 21.8 10⁻18 joule or is equal to 13.6 electron volts. These are same, equal. But here, 21.86 10⁻19 joule is not equal to 13.66 10⁻18 joule. Same unit. Different energies. Same point of 91.155 nanometer wavelength of electron motion form. This is bounded to proton. And its initial not disturbed wavelength. Okay. P-bound electron motion form and equal 1. Cycling. Okay? Not like this. Not revolving. Same they made in their axis joint motion. Proton and electron motion form. These two together, hydrogen atom. Here, ground state position. 91.155 nanometer, lambda normal, lambda n, initial wavelength of single electron motion form, p-bound electron motion form in hydrogen atom. Here, now, result 21.78 10⁻19 joule is not equal to 13.6 eV, according to my theory and my formulas. Now, explaining, according to my theory and my formulas, these are my formulas. Yes, snapshot. here. I guess you see. This is 91.155 nanometer wavelength electron motion form, cycling at its first cycle, n equal 1, and it's in this direction, Vg, I say, linear velocity of single first cycle 91.155 nanometer electron motion forms linear velocity 1,884,000 km per second equal to 2 pi c. Okay, and then if it is successive, it is free, it produces and propagates successive waves propagating at the speed of light. Linear velocity 6.28 times greater than speed of light. Cycling velocity, linear velocity, and light propagating outward. Speed is c. Okay, and speed of light direction, mass is, I have computed before and I have shown in my former videos. I recommend you to watch my former videos. This is point mass. It has energy, but at this point or any point, not important. It's not important. This is point mass and has point energy, but there are two massless components according to my theory and my formulas. One of, I say mc, in this direction, c, speed of light direction, I have computed mc is equal to 2.42 10 to the minus 35 kilogram. Linear velocity direction mass component is 3.85 10 to the minus 36 kilogram. Okay. Don't forget these figures. But according to or in accepted physics, their electron pictures mass is constant and its mass is equal to 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. No. 2.42 10 to the minus 45 kilogram in the direction of C direction mass component. 3.85 10 to the minus 36 kilogram in the direction of linear velocity component. Mass is that figure. Okay, and these are my formulas here. Snapshot. Look at that. Yes. How I deduced. How did I deduce? How did I deduce these figures? Yes. This is my formula for mass C component mass. Okay, here. And this is mass. This is for linear velocity direction component mass formula. And this is speed of light direction mass components energy, and this is 1,884,000 km per second linear velocity direction mass components energy formula. Then when I computed results, C direction mass components energy is equal to 21.78 10⁻⁹ joule, and linear velocity 2 pi c 1,884,000 km per second linear velocity direction mass components energy is 13.66 10⁻18 joule, again joule. Okay, and this is electron motion form. Now, and these are results. Again. In accepted physics theories, hydrogen's ground state electrons energy there is a single energy, E equal to 21.8 10⁻⁹ joule, or is equal to 13.6 electron volts. And there is only one electron mass, and it is equal to 9.11 10⁻31 kilogram. But here, same figures. I have computed different masses from different masses, and units are same. In accepted physics, units are not same. But in my theory and my formulas, units same, energy is different, same point, different masses, different energies. And this direction, electrical and electronic interaction side, making joint motion side. This is a striking side. Okay, this side, C direction mass component side, striking side. This side, linear velocity 6.28 times greater velocity side, 2 pi greater velocity side. Okay, this side energy is different, electrical and electronic energy. Okay, then the story is long. I will go on to explain my theories and my formulas. Yes, have a good evening. See you later.